See, guy. After I talk to you now, I don't want to hear that rubbish. What's the meaning of this one? And so what? Why did you tell me that nonsense for phone? But what is the meaning of that? See, make I tell you, see me as you see me so. As I stand here, if you don't bring my money within 30 minutes, what I go do you, boy? Or what? I'll kill you. You see, I go kill the whole of your family. I'll kill your mama, your papa. I go kill everybody in your family. Yes, I say, mark my word. I said I go kill.
You kill me, boss. You kill me. The color was that. You cannot kill me. You kill me.
Yes, boy.
No,
Hey,
it's never been easy.
I don't
Understand?
know.
I know I'm gonna make it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's get it.
Baba God, we thank you.
God is grateful.
We thank you. We thank you.
Yeah. Age 5, mom's gonna call it transition. Daddy was away. How could I be well when I got no means to keep away?